the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what, told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much.
Alright guys, how you guys doing? Today, we're back. We're going on a little adventure. I brought the GSX out. Silver Surfer Tim has got his Ducati. And of course Kenny, Mr. Showoff, here with his H2 Carbon. Anyways, we're going on the Hollywood ride. I wasn't sure I was going to go, but, you know, I need to get out of the house, and so we're going to take off and head down that way. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? So we here, we made it. We're a little early. Kenny had to poop. I did not. Kenny had to poop.
What?
I did not. I just want to make sure that's clear.
Either you were pooping or you were peeing sitting down.
Don't listen to him. Anyways, Kenny's here. We got Silver Surfer Tim in the house, and we're early. So it gives us time to like get some hydration in, get energy drink in, go pee, not poop. Just want to clarify that. I did not go poop. And then, yeah, so we'll see what goes on. We'll be back. We'll more people show up. Check this thing out. That thing is dope. It's a Honda MM4, I think what he said, and it's automatic, so that's pretty dope. Really cool. Look at that thing. It looks like a spaceship. That thing looks dope. Did you know these are storage compartments?
What? Yeah.
Yeah, these open up. This one locks, and then I don't.
And was it like missiles come out of it?
I don't want to open it. Press it.
Yeah, put my Viagra.
Dude, this is an energy drink right there.
This thing's like...
And then that one, he said locks on that side.
This thing has a charger.
So he has a built-in charger. So initially I thought this would only be like 10 people. I think I was wrong. There's gonna be more than 10 people here.
I know you. I know you, Tony.
Fuck you, Ezekiel!
Fuck you, Tony.
How's it going, man? Martin. What up, man?
Oh, yeah.
All kinds of people showing up.
Bikes. Yeah, the
Real bikes.
real bikes.
We got Chuckster in the house. He showed up. V-Rod. How's it going, man? I have a feeling there's gonna be a lot more people here than I thought.
You know what? I think that's the one thing I miss like the most is being able to see my friends.
Yeah. Yeah. This would be nice. To be
Like I don't care about like just the idea that I can't go anywhere or do anything, but I miss seeing my people.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. KITB?
Oh my god.
Look at this guy.
There you go, buddy.
What's up?
How you been, man?
Chills, you?
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
I haven't seen this guy in fucking forever.
Dude, you got water and everything.
I do.
The Honda has a 2-gallon tank. He said 160 on 2 gallons.
Well, look how aerodynamic. That's more than I get on my 5 gallons.
This is a 4.3 and it does about 160.
Always talking about his stamina.
My stamina is on point. He's just jealous. He's just jealous.
I'm not jealous. It's not about how long you can go. It's like how quick
You missed it. You missed it. Take off here in a minute and enjoy the ride. Enjoy the day. I'm looking forward to this, man. It's been a minute since we've just... You know what? It's been a minute since neither one of us were trying to figure out where to go, where we could just follow and not have to worry about a damn thing. So...
Well, if we could have LA to SD again, that'd be awesome.
tomorrow.
This guy trying to... He's saying to do LA to SD again.
Yeah, we should. SD.
We gotta plan it next year. Next year.
That's what you said the year before.
That's what you said.
No, we'll plan it for next year.
You gotta start planning now.
That really sucks. I was recording, so I don't know. So I probably missed all of that.
You forgot how to record? Yeah.
Apparently, my camera's turned off.
Battery situation.
I got a battery pack.
But was it what?
It was.
Did you forget to push the button?
What I should do is just take the battery out and plug it, have it run off straight the thing.
As a computer person, that's what I would do.
I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Let's just bypass that shit. Does it work that way?
Yeah. Oh, he's pretty low, huh? That was that green area, right? Oh no, that's right there.
Watch that, somebody's private helicopter.
It's spectacular views. Man, this weather is perfect, man. It's not too hot. Is that a taco truck? We must find a taco truck. Oh, that's nice. That's a cool view. Just don't look too much. Yeah, so I had to pull the battery out and run straight battery pack because I think something messed up. So we're running straight battery pack. We'll see how long it lasts. Hopefully it lasts long enough. Yeah, they have a basketball court. Did you see that? They had a basketball court and everything. I think. Oh, look at that thing. That has this. Oh my God. That's when you know it's a big ass house and you can't even see it because it's covered. The front gate is covered with trees. Yeah, all these houses are for sale. That's interesting, huh? I wonder if people have lost their jobs. Alright, so we're at the Hollywood sign. Got Kenny over here flying his drone. But as you can see, there's the Hollywood sign. It's actually a really beautiful day out. So we got all the bikes parked over here. Kind of chilling for a minute. Taking a break before we continue on the ride. I don't know where we're going next, but so far it's been pretty good. Hopefully I caught most of that video. The ride's been dope. That was a good road to come up here. So we're just hanging out, chilling, taking a break, drinking water, and then we're gonna take off. All these bikes getting nice and broken. They've all been sitting in people's garages. No one's been out riding, so it's good to get out. Hopefully I don't have any more camera issues. I actually had a little bit of camera issue where I had the battery in and the battery pack, and like I think the battery died and the battery pack didn't take over, so the camera completely died. But I mean, what kind of video, what kind of day is it when you don't have camera issues, right? So but man, this is such a beautiful day, and just isn't to be like Smokey here, Smokey the Bear. Don't start forest fires. Yeah, well, we got a lot of bikes that can't handle fast
Right, well,
speed,
and
so.
I figured if I make it so it's not a straight line route, everybody has to slow down.
Yeah, that was definitely a good ride. I liked it.
We went this far, but I made it take a lot longer.
So where are we going next from here?
We'll be heading down probably to the city streets a little bit, but
Okay.
it's more sightseeing.
How about food?
Down to Hollywood, yeah, we're headed towards the beach. You need a snack?
No, well, I will by the time
I got a granola bar and
I'll wait till
snacks.
we get to the beach. Hopefully we hit the
Oh yeah,
taco
no.
spot or
We
something.
got like another, 30-40 minutes, and then we'll
I'll
be to the
last
beach
till
and
then.
have a
Okay.
good. Have
So
a good
next
meal.
stop, Hollywood-ish area?
Well, we'll go
I don't know if we're
through
going through there.
Hollywood. We'll probably stop down by the beach, and
Okay.
figure out where we're gonna go eat
Find
if we
some-
want to all attack one spot or multiple spots.
Yeah. Sounds good to me. So that's what's next. And
Cruise.
yeah, let's continue.
I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up.
No matter what happens, I'm coming with you. Okay, sure. Oh, is that the Laugh Factory? Yeah, it's closed right now. That place looks good. Little hole in the wall, but it's closed. Oh, those houses are probably expensive right there. It's right behind this road right here. That's a legacy building right there. How is that even still around? That building. You would think that would have been replaced a long time ago. A Rolls Royce right here. What's your name? Fuck you, Kenny! Alright guys, so we're here. We made it to Tacos. Parking. Some place called, what's this place called? Por favor taco? Por favor taco.
I don't know what they got.
Por favor.
Tacos, por favor.
Yeah, that place. I got a beer and a drink and...
This place is called Por Favor. They don't know what ingredients are in their food. That's what it is.
He's salty, that's what it is. He's just salty. Anyways, we lost a lot of people. I think we're down to like 10 people from 20.
You're just mad because you got an allergy.
So, he's just mad because he got an allergy. Anyways, we're gonna eat and then I don't know what's coming up next, but we're gonna figure it out. So Kenny is being a little bitch and won't eat a fucking lengua taco. So I want you guys to go to his channel and call him a bitch. Even better, go to his Instagram page and call him a bitch because he's a little bitch and he doesn't want to eat tacos.
It doesn't taste good.
You didn't even, you took
I tasted a little piece of meat. Why? It doesn't taste good.
He tasted the tip.
Bullshit.
It did taste good.
He's lying.
I didn't like it.
No, he's got, it's in his head. He just doesn't, you know. He tried a little piece of meat. That's not how you try it. You take a bite of a taco.
I would have tasted the whole
You would have should have tasted a taco. No, it would not have tasted like any taco. Kenny doesn't know what he's talking about.
It would have tasted like fucking ass tongue.
No. One day, he's not gonna know.
I don't know how you
And he's
can
gonna be like, that's delicious.
and not taste the whole thing. You gotta taste the whole thing.
You gotta taste the whole taco. Dude, even in Beverly Hills, I was like, why are there taco trucks all over Beverly Hills? That doesn't make sense to me. But there is. There's tons of taco trucks out here. Or up there. Alright guys, so as much as I don't want to say it, I think I'm gonna end it today. They're gonna continue riding and I got a 2-hour ride home. I just don't feel like doing that. So we've got a lot of bikes out here. We got a lot of cool ass people. Silver Surfer Tim, K6, Sab Crazy, Chuckster, Cruisin' Moto, Psycho Bob, I just call him Bob, Mr. V-Rod, the whole clan's here. And yeah, we're gonna take off. I definitely love his new FZ10, dude. This is, or FZ09, this thing is dope. But with that said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys had a fantastic day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell. And until next time, peace. Have a good day. Fuck you, Kenny!